Headless body of a man found in Glengoffe. Man killed after attacking members of a family with machete. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The headless body of a man has been found in Glengoffe, St. Catherine. He has been identified by the alias Bigger Ass. The discovery was made in the community of Mount Concord. Residents had earlier reported hearing explosions in the area. More details to come following further investigations. A Westmoreland man was killed after he reportedly attacked several members of a family with a machete on Friday. The incident occurred on Rory Street at Morgan's Bridge in the parish. Police have identified the dead man as 59-year-old Devon Wright, a resident of the rural district. Reports are that around 5:10 p.m., Wright and the family members had a dispute. Police stated that during the dispute, Wright attacked members of the family with a machete. The family members threw stones towards Wright, the police stated, and one reportedly hit him on the head. The police further stated that the now deceased fell to the ground and was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. The machete was retrieved from the scene by the police. The police have not divulged the reason for the dispute and have not indicated whether any of the family members were taken into custody.